Hello friends, my name is Vichinder Singh. I am in 6th grade and today I will review the learning website brilliant.org and if it's really worth it for school or like regular learning or not. So let's just start right now, really quickly. So Brilliant, as it is descriptive, is the best place on earth to learn math, science, and computer science. So let's see if that is true. So let's just start. So for accounts, you can get a free account. Okay, so you can get a free account, and when you get a free account, you can do these daily challenges and the courses. You can do courses. You can also do the courses. But the thing is, you only get access to the first chapter of the course. The rest of it will be locked, sadly. But with a premium membership, everything is available for you, as you can see. So yeah, I have the premium membership. So the plan, the how much it costs, you can check that on the website. If you have a free account, there will be a green button here that says Go Premium. Click it and it'll just show you the cost money and like some descriptions on Google itself. So for a premium membership, it costs money. There's an annual plan for a yearly, monthly plan, and if you want to invite like more people to learn with you. So when you have a premium account, you can also like invite a friend over for 3 months of premium. So you can just copy link, send an invite, and I think you have to pay some money. I don't know. Then if you have any questions, just here. So anyway, and now let's look at the website itself. So anyways, about this tab, this is the daily challenges tab. Every day almost every day I think they upload a daily challenge for you to do. Most of it's just logic stuff. Sometimes it's science and engineering, but so yeah, so you can just do all this. It's interactive, which is the most popular thing on the So courses. So what are the courses? So there are 3 topics. I think I've already said: math, science, and computer science. So the blue courses with the blue colors are math stuff. The green one is also math, but it's more of the advanced math. The yellow is the science topics, and the red is the computer science topics. There's also retired courses that that they updated their course from this one. So yeah, then there's this section here on courses you did, more courses, learning paths. So a learning path it's like a playlist of courses on a topic. So these are like math counts and enrichment topics. If you have enrichment math at your school. So now the courses itself. Now some courses have only lessons. Okay, never mind. So now this is a course that we have. So this just tells you the information. Could be more. You get a nice description here. These are like the things it talks about, like the things you can learn on this course. And now this button, what does it do? So technically it says. So this technically tells you what you need to know to do this course. What previous knowledge you need. But for this logic course, you don't really need any knowledge, so that's cool. So if you don't know what the heck logic is, let's do this. It'll be fine. So some, like I said, some logic courses have lessons. That one of those courses include this. You can tell their lessons because the art that they are look like this. It's red, blue, yellow, blue, black, white, gray. Yeah. So the lessons, what do they look like? So there's the introduction. It just tells you what it is. So this is a warm-up puzzle, just in case you want to get the logic ready. So then it's like, so then you just read it, you click continue, and then you do the exercises. Here. So there are blocks. So you can do like lesson quizzes, Then you, yeah, and then at the end is a review and reflect. It section tells you how what we learned, what's next. Okay. Now a bad thing that I do not like about doing almost all the courses involve quizzes. Now quizzes, let's see. Now let's say I want to go. Let's see. One of my favorite courses is food. So yeah, now see the art is different. So if the art is different on other unlike the other art, you know it's a quiz. Same quiz. This just actually tells you the course. Now these are pictures, these things, and then next. These are the questions. Questions are on the right with the answers to the questions are on the right. Questions are here. Then there's the explanation. Over there. Okay. So alright. So that's it on the whole thing itself. So is it good or not? Well, it says on the Bruin website. It says on like the main page when you're not logged in, it just tells you. It's recommended for ages 10 to 110. That's old, but it's recommended for that age. So when you're in like middle school, so this is like a middle school to further. So when you're in middle school, this course can be recommended. This is not really needed, but you can do it if you want. Pre-algebra is a way recommended course. This is also something in middle school. These are just for further stuff. So thinking, if you want to go in math counts, this is the course that you want to do first. So when you start your 6th grade, this number theory is also recommended. And if you're studying decimals, some parts of the number basis course can be helpful. So these are the good things I'm doing. So if you're doing geometry in 6th grade or in 7th, these courses can be good. The further parts are just for 8th grade. Now there's nothing, if you're doing, now the only like 6th grade thing that's statistics and probabilities, the measures of central tendency. So yeah, just find a course in one of these courses and you need to and do it. Yeah. So this is the math counts course. This is just mostly for the AMC. This is the math counts course that is for math counts students. Literally, Brilliant has teamed up with math counts, like literally, yeah. So these are just nothing you really need to look at. Just advanced things. Scientific thinking is required for 7th and 8th, but you can still do it in 61. Now these topics are more advanced in science, but not really. If you just do all the things that you need, and you'll be fine. And also this course also I wanted to say, just the little thing I wanted to share. This course was also been sponsored by Microsoft and Alphabet X. That's cool. Back down. So and if you want to just do coding, like the language that Brilliant teaches is Python. There's also some others I don't really know. So yeah, Python, something that you can do. So, but if you want to start, you can just do these. Yeah. So what's the bad things on it? So that's the good things that it's interactive, which makes it more grade efficient. It's more interactive, it makes it grade efficient. It also learns in a different way, and it's suitable for almost everybody. The bad things, mostly, so yeah, it could be it's worth it in that way. If you wanted to learn Python for free, you can do that. But what's the bad things? Well, I mean, like this one thing that's bad isn't really grade efficient wise, but there's just a lot of quizzes. For example, there's lots of these courses just involve quizzes. That kind of sucks. Another like not that well thing is how it like it sometimes gives you a little bit harder learning, just a little bit. For example, most of the courses are for like big people, like college. I mean, that might be good for like adults, but not for middle schoolers. maybe. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm probably gonna do a second part in this video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And do the things that a YouTuber tells you to do. Bye.